Hello and welcome to this first lecture on centralizing data with a modern infrastructure in this course, data analysis and data analytics. So in this section, we will help you get an in-depth view of centralizing data with a modern infrastructure. And we begin by taking a look at how to use cloud storage platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, right? So let's take a look at that. Before we do that, let's understand that we are looking at how to develop a strong data foundation. And there we have completed how to ensure data quality and integrity. We are now taking a look at the second leg of developing a strong data foundation. And in that, we're looking at how to use the cloud storage solutions. So before we take a look at how to use the cloud storage solution, let's understand the importance of this. So cloud storage, plays a crucial role in modernizing data infrastructure, ensuring scalability, security, and accessibility across an organization. So right through the organization, you can have these things happening. Now, how to centralize your data efficiently using cloud storage solutions? Let us take a look at the steps that you can take. So, first step is obviously to choose the right cloud storage solution. Now, different cloud platforms offer, you know, varied features for data storage, processing, and retrieval. And what are the top cloud storage providers? Let's take a look at them. So there are like Amazon Web Services, which is best for scalable, secure, and enterprise grade. And there they have storage services like S3, EFS, and Glacier. Then there is Google Cloud Platform (GCP) for best for AI and big data analytics, and their services are cloud storage and BigQuery. Microsoft Azure, that is a hybrid cloud and enterprise user suitability, and there they have blob storage and data lake. And Snowflake, which is a data warehouse is analytics suitability, and there the services provided are cloud-based data warehousing. So these are the various cloud platforms, top cloud storage platforms that you can choose from. Now, a multinational company, how they store the data? They store the customer purchase data history in AWS S3 and uses snowflakes for analytics. So that's how you can choose a right cloud storage solution. Second step would be to implement a centralized data lake or data warehouse. A data lake or data warehouse helps consolidate data from multiple sources. Now, what are the various options that you have? In data storage models, you have data lakes like AWS3, Azure Data Lake that stores raw data, whether it is structured, semi-structured, or unstructured, is ideal for big data and machine learning, the data lakes, and it support multiple formats like JSON, Paraquet, CSV, Avro. Now, data warehouse, on the other hand, are like examples of that are Snowflake's BigQuery and Redshift. They store structured and clean data, right? So that's a difference. Where data lakes can store semi-structured and unstructured. Data warehouses are for structured and clean data for fast querying. They are optimized for BI tools like Tableau, Power BI, Looker, and they support SQL-based analytics. Now, how did a healthcare provider use data lakes, this centralized warehousing? So, this healthcare provider uses Azure Data Lake for storing raw patient records. So, data lakes for raw patient records and Snowflakes for structured reports. So, a combination of these also can work out for you. The third step is to automate data ingestion and integration. To centralize data, you need to automate the extraction ETL process of extraction, transform, and load that we saw earlier using the pipe, using the native cloud tools. And what are the ETL and data integration tools that you can use? Let's take a look at that. So there are like AWS Glue that is best for serviceless ETL, and it is compatible in terms of cloud with AWS. Then there is Google Data Flow that is good for the best for real-time data streaming. It's compatible with GCP Cloud, Google Cloud Platform. Azure Data Factory is a tool that is suitable for enterprise ETL, and it is compatible with Azure, obviously. Then there is a Fivetran and Stitch as a tool that is best for automated connectors, and it is compatible with all kind of clouds, multi-cloud compatibility. Then there is Apache Airflow that is suitable for workflow automation, and it's an open source in terms of compatibility. Now, how do companies use it? So a fintech firm uses Fivetran to sync customer transaction data from PostgreSQL into Google BigQuery. So that's how you can automate data ingestion and integration. The fourth step is to secure and optimize cloud storage. Now, security and cloud cost optimization are critical things when managing cloud data, right? There are key security best practices. Let's take a look at them. The first one is the access control, where you can use IAM roles and role-based accesses. Second is data encryption as a best practice in security that can enable encryption at the rest and in transit. And then there is data backup where you can set up automated snapshots and disaster recovery. And then there's compliance, which to ensure GDPR, HIPAA, and SOC regulations are followed. Then, in terms of cost optimization strategy, you can use tiered storage, move infrequently used data to cold storage like AWS Glacier, Azure Archive, or you could enable auto scaling, that can prevent over provisioning with serverless solution. And you can monitor usage using AWS Cost Explorer, GCP billing, and Azure Cost Management. Now, how do companies secure and optimize cloud storage? A media company archives old videos in AWS Glacier to save cost while keeping frequently accessed content in S3 standard. So those are some ways you can secure and optimize cloud storage. So let's summarize the steps to centralize data with cloud storage. So first one is to choose a right cloud provider, right? And you have choices between AWS, GCP, Azure, and Snowflakes, as we saw. Then you set up a data lake or data warehouse to consolidate all data sources depending on your data. And then you automate ETL and data integration with tools like Airflow, Glue, and Dataflow. And finally, you secure and optimize storage with IAM, encryption, and cost saving measures. So that's how you can centralize data with cloud storage. So what do we do next? So having looked at how to, use cloud storage solutions, we will now look at how to implement data warehouses to centralize data with a modern infrastructure. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on centralizing data with a modern infrastructure in this course, data analysis and data analytics. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.